We're on our way to the kitchen, and I'll show you what the ladies have been doing since 10 o'clock this morning, and it's now almost 3 o'clock p.m. Can I get a close-up of what you're doing? Tell me what you're doing.
I'm frying meat stew beef.
Beef?
Yes.
Okay. And what do we have here?
We have Irish.
Irish potatoes.
Yeah.
Okay.
For
Chicken.
smoking. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. These are salads.
And salad.
Yeah.
And tomato and avocado.
These are spices
Spices.
for a beef.
And is this gravy?
This is gravy for a beef.
Okay. And what do we
We're
have
boiling
cooking?
water for rice.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is a lot of food matoke.
And that's the matoke.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is food for about 50 people.
Yeah. You have peanuts.
Peanuts.
Ground nuts.
Ground nuts.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So it is about to.
Almost ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready?
Thank you, ladies. Hey, say something to people back home. Get together, all of you together.
Hello, everybody. We are the cooking team. We send our greetings to you. Hope you're well. And
Right.
thank you for everything. We love you.
We love you so much. Thank you for sending us the good friends, Jaja Bobby and Jaja Bo, Jaja Joe. We love them so much. They have been a blessing to us. Come with them next year. Come with them. We shall be happy to see you. We shall dance. Praise the Lord. We shall eat. We will cook for you nice food
Okay.
and beef. All right.
How can they pass up that invitation, right?
Yeah.
Thank you, ladies.
Welcome.